Vegetative growth is essentially the point where we have taken our rooted cutting and we've transplanted it. Now, for example, in an indoor garden, we're going to maintain vegetative growth under 18 hours of lighting. Some people will do it under 24, but I typically recommend against this because plants do valuable parts of their metabolism during the lights off period. Like, for example, the metabolism of oxygen through the top third of the root zone. Plants will actually do a fair amount of their growing while the lights are off. So it's important that we give them this little break, even if it's only 6 hours long in the case of our typical vegetative light cycle under 18 hours. So we engage in vegetative growth in order to properly set up our plant for the flowering process. If we are growing outdoors, that vegetative growth would be occurring in the late spring and early summer months, at which point we're using the available hours of daylight to perform the vegetative growth and set our plant up for the flowering phase. That could include pruning, training, transplanting, establishing that root zone, and essentially getting the plant to the size we want it to be before we initiate the flowering process.